Want to speak real Vietnamese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at Vietnamesepod101.com. You are at a lost and found office at a train station where you're hoping to retrieve a wallet that you've lost. The staff member presents you with a form to fill out. What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? The form states that you need to fill out your name, address, phone number, and a description of your lost property.
Họ và tên, địa chỉ số điện thoại, mô tả tài sản bị thất lạc.
You are on a platform at a train station where you've been waiting for your train. It appears to be running late. Suddenly, a message appears on the display. What does the message on the display mean? What does the message on the display mean? The display reads, "Train services on this line have been canceled due to an accident on the train tracks. We apologize for the inconvenience."
Dịch vụ tàu hỏa trên tuyến này đã bị hủy do một tai nạn trên đường tàu. Chúng tôi xin lỗi về sự cố này.
You are at a train station where you're trying to reserve a seat on an express train using a ticket machine. A special notice is posted on the machine. Which option should you use to reserve a seat on the express train? Which option should you use to reserve a seat on the express train? The notice says that you should go to the counter if you would like to reserve a seat on an express train.
Đến quầy phục vụ nếu bạn muốn đặt chỗ trên tàu nhanh.
You've just arrived at your destination and you're attempting to exit the train station. Unfortunately, the exit you usually take is blocked by some ongoing renovations. A signboard is posted informing you of another route. How should you proceed? How should you proceed? The sign tells you to go back in the opposite direction, take the escalators up to the second floor, and to turn right and take the east exit.
Đi lại hướng ngược lại, đi thang cuốn lên tầng 2 và rẽ phải rồi đi tới cửa ra ga phía đông.
You are at a train station reading a leaflet that you found at the train station. The leaflet is advertising a new shopping center that just opened. How do you get to the new shopping center? How do you get to the new shopping center? The leaflet says that you can use platform 4 or platform 2 if it's a Sunday to get to the new shopping center.
Sân ga số 4 hoặc sân ga số 2 nếu là chủ nhật.
You're reading an event guide and are going to see an upcoming art event. What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? The description reads that if you bring your own food or drinks, they will be confiscated.
Nếu bạn mang theo thức ăn hoặc đồ uống riêng của bạn, chúng sẽ bị tịch thu.
You're planning to buy an instant meal. How much water do you add, and what do you do once it's added? How much water do you add, and what do you do once it's added? You add 100 cc's of boiling water, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then stir the contents.
Thêm 100 cc nước sôi, chờ 3 đến 5 phút rồi khuấy nó lên.
You're at the clothing store and want to try on a few shirts. How many items are allowed in the fitting room? How many items are allowed in the fitting room? The notice says that a maximum of 3 items per customer are permitted inside the fitting room.
Mỗi khách hàng được mang tối đa 3 món đồ vào trong phòng thử.
After paying for your shirt, you notice the return policy is printed on the receipt. What items are excluded from the return policy? What items are excluded from the return policy? The sentence means, please note that all sale items are excluded from this policy and are non-returnable.
Xin lưu ý rằng tất cả các mặt hàng giảm giá đều không được áp dụng chính sách này và không thể trả lại được.
With your receipt, you also received a coupon. Where do you have to present the coupon? Where do you have to present the coupon? It says, present this coupon at the counter at the time of purchase to receive a 20% discount off all items.
Đưa phiếu giảm giá này ra tại quầy thanh toán tại thời điểm mua để được nhận giảm giá 20% cho mọi món hàng.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.